Welcome viewers. Natural farming using IMOs. We keep our pigs under inoculated litter system. Today weather is very cold outside here, but our pigs are relaxing in a warm environment which is inoculated deep litter system. How do we manage deep litter system? We inoculate every layer of the deep litter system using IMO. What is IMO? Indigenous microorganisms, which are beneficial bacteria to help in digesting waste and smell like ammonia generated by the pigs when they defecate. Using IMO has proven to be one of the best methods and technologies to manage waste in a pig house. We have not removed our waste since last year 2020 in this pen. You can imagine how many cycles of the 6 months pigs we have raised in the same area. Our work is only turning the waste, mixing it well with a dry material, which is mostly from sawdust and rice husk. Just adjacent is a tenant who stays just next to the pig pen with no complaint because there is no smell. Thank you. Long live natural farming. Using IMO is the solution. Thank you.